Y'all ready to get the boot camp rolling?
That's what I'm talking about.
Wait! If you don't believe in yourself and if you don't believe you can learn something, the game's over.
Okay, now, from the beginning.
Hit it, boys.
So what you should do is you should have multiple products, okay? What I want you to do is I want you to, if you multiply that one CRM times 10 other products, how many products or services would you now have?
I'm just super impressed with the content, the format, it's top notch.
How many of you know people that are demanding? How many of you are having trouble finding people that are demanding? How many of you have trouble finding executives and managers that demand the business?
You got to get here to the sales bootcamp training. I mean, baby, what are you looking to do? Are you going to 10x your life or are you going to sit on the couch?
It's not about what you want, it's about what the marketplace determines the rules.